Hello people and welcome to a new Photoshop Quick Tips episode. Photoshop can be tricky sometimes and there is a quick solution for the images that have transparent parts and you want to keep that transparent part but change the image. Here is the explanation to this process. Download the image that you want to replace on a website or somewhere else. Load the original image in Photoshop. Then load your new image in Photoshop and using Shift key on the keyboard and transform dots on Photoshop, size and place the new image over the original one. Move the original image layer to the top. Then click on the small box in the layer followed with Ctrl on the keyboard. Your desired selection will be loaded. Move your new image layer to the top. Using Lasso tool or any other selection tool and right-click on the image, create a new layer via Copy option. Remove the unwanted layers and don't forget to save your image in PNG format. Please subscribe for more. Cheers!